To my channel Tech Horizon XX, and we normally talk about in this channel all about latest IT trends, your innovations, and how we can save money into the IT business. Now, a lot of things is getting discussed now in the market, and I want to bring up this topic of Windows 10 upgrade. It's getting discussed every now and then, and the fact of the situation is that Windows 10 is going out of support by October 14th, and Windows 11 is coming in. Now, what are the repercussions? What are the things which we need to worry about, and how the things going to be after October 14th? Just I'm giving you a snapshot to make you aware. Now, few of the things why we need Windows upgrade now. Reason being that since we are getting out of support by October 14th, it's mandatorily required to update your operating system by then. Now means that you're not going to get any security update post that, and you have to pay for security update post that, which is around $62 per user for a year, and that may be double next year, and after that it will be tripled. So overall you may pay around $427 in 3 years for one user, something like that. So it is just important to understand that what is required and what will change to the business, whether the business coming under this jurisdiction will have any issues and all that. So I'm going to just touch upon all those things. So I just talked about why we need a Windows upgrade now. Second, I want to touch upon what's the impact on business. So impact on business can be multifold. For example, the security. If you're not getting security updates, you're not getting security patched regularly, then you may have issues, and you may get into ransomware attacks. You may get into other serious compliance issues. You may see that your PCs are outdated, it's not compatible with the latest apps, and also you may see that increased cost, as I just discussed briefly. So I'm also going to talk about the manageability. Now, what is manageability talks about here, that from Windows 7 to Windows 10 upgrade, it was a kind of a cumbersome process to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10, but from Windows 10 to Windows 11, it's not going to be a troublesome issue. It's just going to be a straightforward upgrade, right? And why you see that it's important to worry about now, because of majorly a lot of things coming in is something called as trusted platform model. Now, what exactly it talks about now with Windows 11, it has to be incorporated into the hardware which has got a security chip built in. Means TPM has to be a part and parcel of your hardware, and which encrypts and decrypts your data. So it is very important that Windows 11 has to have that kind of feature which is built into the motherboard itself, which makes your Windows 11 more authentic, more secure, and really manageable. So my suggestion going forward, few suggestions which comes into my mind is like HP is also a leader in the market. Dell is also the leader in the market. I prefer people choose Latitude, Dell XPS machines. Why? Because they have got enterprise grade security, and it will definitely has got a lot of security features. It has got a built-in BIOS security and other features which are there, right? So I'm going to stop here, and let me know if you have any comments. Thank you. Bye bye.